Hello, dear artists. It's been a hot minute since I posted here on YouTube, maybe a couple of weeks. I've been on holiday, and this is the first time I've actually taken like 3 weeks off YouTube. I went back to Singapore to see family, and we visited Vietnam, which was gorgeous. We spent a few days at the beach with my children and husband, and now we're back in Australia, back in the winter time, and feeling fully recharged and ready to make some videos here for you on YouTube. So in this video, I'll be painting this really gorgeous wedding bouquet that I was commissioned to paint just before I left for my holidays. And I'll be talking to you about the 5 things that I love about watercolor. There are 5 points, and these are the reasons why I really love this medium. And in the next video, I'll be telling you the 5 things I dislike about watercolor. So in this video will be the 5 things I love. So if you want to watch this whole tutorial, it's on my Patreon. It's about 33 minutes long. So in this YouTube video, I will be speeding it up and skipping some parts because I don't want the YouTube video to be too long. So if you want to watch the actual tutorial, check out my Patreon. I've linked it in the description below. So all right, let's get started. 5 things that I love about watercolor. 5 reasons why I love watercolor. All right, so number 1, I love watercolor. And actually the reason why I even started it is because of how easy it is to set up, to pack away, the things that I need to buy are so simple. I don't need much space, and it's super easy to travel with, right? So I've just lumped this all in reason number 1. How accessible it is. As a beginner, you've never done it before, it's so easy. Literally, I started with my kids' watercolor set, you know, the ones that you buy in the cheap, like kids' art shop. And I got some really simple, cheap brushes as well that you can even use like acrylic brushes, as in brushes for acrylic paint. And then paper, you just buy watercolor paper. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. You only need a corner of your kitchen table to start with. So easy to pack up, so easy to keep, and so easy to travel with. That is really a big key reason why I love watercolor. How easy it is. In my busy mom life, I didn't have a lot of space. I did not have a lot of time. I just wanted an art practice to start something very simple. And compared to oils or even acrylics, where you gotta, set up an easel, you gotta get big canvases and all the other stuff, it's just a little bit more of a hassle. So that's what number 1, it's so easy to set up, pack, and compact, and so little space. Second reason why I love watercolor is that there is no waste at all. The way I paint with my watercolors is I buy tube paints, I squeeze them into a pan, and every time I want to paint, I would just reactivate it with a little spray bottle, and I keep going. So even all the colors that you see in the mixing well, I reuse them. So there's very little waste. I don't waste any paint. As opposed to acrylic, they dry up. Even gouache, sometimes I feel bad using it because they kind of dry up and they're never the same again. You can't really reactivate it. So with watercolor, I don't waste any paint. Everything is reactivated, reusable, and for a budget, if you don't have a lot of budget and you feel you don't want to waste paint, you don't want to waste all the colors, it is a great medium to do. And even with paper, you can use the front of the paper, back of the paper, all parts of the paper. There is no waste. Number 3, how easy it is to clean up, and there is no smell, there is no chalk, there is no dust. It's very clean. My table that I paint on, just with a wipe off my towel, my kitchen towel, it's all gone. When I do workshops out in other venues, I don't have to worry about laying down like protective sheets or anything, because I know that the paint will just be so easily gone. That's just a great thing, right? I tried using what's it called? soft pastels, and I just gave up after the first try because I just couldn't stand all the dust that was flying around. And also when I use like even the oil pastels, when I use them and I close my sketchbook, it just gets on the other page. All of that, none of it at all in watercolor. Once you paint them, it dries, nothing comes off, you wipe things away. It's just so easy to clean up. That's number 3. Number 4 is how cheap it is. I know you're going to say, no, Krista, how can you say art supplies are cheap? But look, a little paint goes a long way with watercolor. You're painting mostly with water, rather than paint. If you've tried acrylic or oil before, you know how much paint you need to use for acrylic paint to get the effect. So watercolor, a tiny tube, especially if you don't use the colors that color all the time, can last me years. Like my Prussian blue, I think has lasted me 4 years, my 15 ml tube. All the blues, all the colors that I don't use so much, and even the colors that I use a lot, a little goes a long way. And the paper, it used to be that you had to buy very expensive branded 100% cotton paper like Arches or Fabriano that are made in Europe. But nowadays you can find really affordable paper with all the China production that's coming out. For example, I'm using Medan watercolor, or is it Baohong, and they produce very, very good 100% cotton paper that I love using. And if you want to try medium cotton watercolor paper, I have a link in the description and a discount code of 15%. Buy it in bulk, you get free shipping. I hoard paper, I know I do, but I use them. The trick to not feeling wasteful about paper is that just buy them in bulk, buy them a lot. Always ask for paper for presents. Have so much that you feel a waste if you don't use it. So, paper is relatively cheap now, and brushes. The brushes can also be really, really cheap. The brushes, except for maybe squirrel hair, which some artists swear by, you don't really need squirrel hair. These days, synthetic brushes are just as good, hold just as much water. And like here, I'm using my Crystal Tan Art brush set that I just made, and I just custom made with a manufacturer. And they go, 6 brush here cost $49. Really affordable if you ask me. Check out my brush set. I'll link that in the description below as well. That is reason number 4, how cheap this medium is. And finally, the last reason why I love watercolor is how it works for me. As in, because of the way it flows and its unexpected quality, especially in the loose style that I love painting in, I don't have to work so much. I almost sometimes feel I'm just dropping paint into water and letting things flow, and the results just become so pretty and magnificent without me trying so hard. That's why when I move into like gouache or acrylic and it's not as flowy, I just feel that I am a terrible painter. I can't paint as well because it's too much control. It doesn't work for me. For watercolor, the medium and the way it works, it actually helps me become a better painter. It actually makes me a more talented, quote unquote, painter, because the medium is already magical on its own, as in it just does the work 75% for me. And I mean, I don't even need to talk about the look of watercolor. I love the look of watercolor so much more than any other mediums because it's so transparent. There's this sense of ephemeral, sort of like dreamy-like quality of watercolor that I love. Actually, let's just put that as bonus reason number 6. I love the look of watercolor, right? I love how it doesn't feel like it's really here. It's got this like ghostly effect, whether it's landscapes or urbanscape or flowers. It just feels light and it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel so like, it just feels like air. So, yep. those are my 6 reasons now why I love watercolor, and let me know in the comments if you have any more that I didn't think about. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this snippet of this bouquet of flowers, and if you want to learn more from me, check out my Patreon, check out my website, sign up for my mailing list, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.